Om Shanti. Good morning. Today English Mulli, that is 24th December 2020. Baba is telling, sweet children, this body which is like a toy works with the living key of the soul. The body which is like a toy works with the living key of the soul. Consider yourself to be souls and you will become fearless. Baba is telling, consider yourself, you are a soul always, then you will become fearless. Today question, what name can you give to soul who continue to come down and perform a play through their bodies? Answer, puppet. Just as puppet play part in a puppet show, so you souls too have continued to come down like puppet in this play of 5,000 years. The Father has come to show you puppets the way to climb back up. Now apply the key of Srimad and you will go up above. Today's song, the moth has been burnt in the gathering for the flame. The moth has been burnt in the gathering for the flame. समा पर परवाना फिदा है. Om Shanti. The spiritual father gives Srimad to the spiritual children. When someone's behavior is not good, his parents tell him, may God give you good direction. The poor people do not understand that God really does give direction. You children are now receiving God's direction. That is, the spiritual father is giving you children the elevated direction to make you elevated. You now understand that you are becoming the most elevated of all. The Father is giving us such elevated direction. We are following His direction and changing from ordinary humans into deities. This proves that only that Father can change ordinary human into deities. Sikh sings that it did not take God long to change human into deities. Therefore, He definitely gives you the direction to change you from ordinary human into deities. His praise is sung. Today, essence for dharana, number 1 point. Only pick up the jewels of knowledge that the Father gives you. Not stone. Protect yourself from the severe illness of body consciousness. Protect yourself from the severe illness of body consciousness. The सबसे greatest disease जो बीमारी है वो body consciousness. In order to charge your battery fully, have yoga with the Father, the powerhouse. Make effort to remain soul conscious. Remain fearless. If you are always soul conscious, then you will be fearless. You cannot get afraid of anybody. When you are feeling that coming into the body consciousness stage, we are feeling that I am so. When we are feeling that I am such body, then the fear is coming. So if you feel I am soul, then the fearless is going to become. Today blessing, while you are receiving the blessing, visualize that Bab Dada's blessed hand is above your head and you are receiving the blessing. May you become full of the experience of all relationship. May you become full of all the experience of all relationship and all virtues and thereby become an image of perfection. May you become full of the experience of all relationship and all virtue that thereby become an image of perfection. At the confluence age, you specially have to make yourself full of all attainment. Therefore, keep all your treasures, relationship, virtue and your duties in front of you and check whether you are experienced in all these things. If something is missing in your experience of any of these, then make yourself full with that. If even one relationship or virtue is missing, you cannot be said to have a full stage or be an image of perfection. Therefore, experience the Father's virtue and the virtue of your original form, and you will then become an image of perfection. Today's slogan, To become into force is also crying of the mind. To come into force is also crying of the mind. So now close the file of crying. To come into force is also crying of the mind. कोई गुस्से में आ जाना, पावर में आ जाना, it is also crying of the mind. So now close the file of crying. Om Shanti. Have a good day. God bless you.